shoot them, fuck.
Everything.
He just came out of nowhere.
Hope he died. Whoa, there's a lot.
Why are they all crying?
Because they sad.
They's all just got.
Dude, that was not me! Haha, that was not me, you bitch. Fuck. Thanks.
Mama, where are you?
Right next to you. Yeah, I am.
There you are. Hello.
I told you I was right next to you.
I'm going to be.
Over here. Oh my god.
No!
That was a
No!
stairs.
No! No! Ah!
Come on, come on.
You okay, Tal? Super duper awesome.
Hello.
How?
So my internet just died.
I'm confused.
These medkits are all mine. Damn it!
What the fuck?
What? 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 So, how you like my new girlfriend? We're kicking more ass than a boot in an ass factory. An ass factory. What?
Imagine the smell.
Oh, fat man! Let me in!
He's so funny if he died now.
He's never gonna get it. I'm spamming E on the door.
Keep it close. Actually, no, just spam.
If you spam it, you can't move.
How's it going?
It's healing, that'll do. Oh, more people, thanks for killing him.
Don't let him in! Shit. Yes!
What the fuck, Steve?
I was on one health on black and white the entire time. Nobody really noticed that I was on no health.
I did. I tried to kill you, but...
What reaction when the teammate is low health? I have to kill him.
Oh god, get out of here! Walk away, walk away!
Now I have to go faster. This is not gonna work. Don't do anything. Don't fuck off, bitch. Fuck no. Ah! I think that someone
All
in the
of my
safe
hate.
house.
Hello! Ah!
Little man.
Help! 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 Help!
No!
He's taking me to the bedroom! No!
Where did he go? Ah! What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck?
What is he doing? Hey man, you need some help or something?
I'm cool.
It's pretty wet there. You
Yeah.
better get up. Come on, we should get inside.
You should give me some money.
Hey, over here!
I want some money. Give me
Yeah.
some money.
You need to go, man. You better get off. Come on.
Daddy, would you like some sausage?